The human versus machine challenge. Can an algorithm ever truly master the soul of ancestral cooking? We've fed centuries of secret spice profiles into a generative model to see if AI can design fusion street food that passes the ultimate test. Watch as we take these digital recipes to the streets to face their toughest critics. The legendary vendors who have cooked these traditions for generations, the Digital Spice Cabinet, demonstrating how we scraped data from hyperlocal open-source flavor archives and family-run digital recipe vaults. Explaining the training of a cultural context layer in the AI to prevent generic, whitewashed ingredient pairings. Mapping the molecular chemistry of rare spices from the Andes to the Mekong Delta as the foundational dataset for the model. Architecting the fusion logic, defining the constraints given to the generative model to ensure structural integrity and street-side portability of the food. Showcasing the AI's first iterations of impossible fusions like Oaxacan-style bao or Ethiopian-infused arepas. Discussing the shift from purely mathematical flavor balancing to algorithmic respect for ancestral cooking techniques and heat levels. The kitchen prototype phase. Transitioning the most promising digital blueprints into a physical kitchen using 2026 precision cooking hardware. Facing the reality of hallucinated flavors, where the AI suggests ingredient combinations that challenge the human palate. Refining the textures and aromas to ensure the final product looks like a genuine street food staple rather than a lab experiment. The street vendor stress test. Taking the AI-designed dishes to bustling night markets to be judged by multi-generational street food masters. Documenting the visceral reactions of vendors as they critique the authenticity and soul of the algorithm's creations. Analyzing the tension between machine efficiency and the hand-of-the-cook philosophy that defines global food culture. A new culinary language, reflecting on how AI can act as a preservation tool for dying culinary traditions by remixing them for a modern audience. Proposing a future where generative models help chefs innovate without losing the historical thread of their heritage. Final tasting of the successful fusion dishes that proved the algorithm could finally understand the nuance of human taste.